Hi everyone, welcome to Data Exploration and Acquisition with you know. So what we're doing today is a Looker Explorer with the Google skills. So here's a quick lab that you will come across when you're doing the data analyst introduction to data analytics cloud and Looker Explorer. So this part of your introduction to data analytics on Google Cloud skill course. So we'll start the lab, and once the lab starts, we'll go straight into it. So one thing you always advise to do when you're doing your labs is to read up the instructions ahead of the lab. So I read up most of the instructions, but because I've started the lab, I would just go straight into it. We have 29 minutes, so we should be able to complete the lab in that time. So here is the login in information. So here you can see open looker. Then it said we should have our information in. So let's open looker. Okay. Sometimes you are told to open it in incognito. So let's open in incognito and see what will come up. So for every lab, so I think this will not be open in incognito. Let's just open it. Since we're going to use our credentials. It's still requesting for a login. Let's go back. Let's see why. Okay, so I think this time we will use this. So let's do it. Let's do it incognito and then use the login details. So copy the username, copy the password. So we're telling it to stay logged in because it's our own computer and it's trusted. So we've been logged in on our Looker. So you know there's a difference between Looker and Looker Studio. So this is Looker. So let's allow it to load first of all before we go back to our instructions. So let's go back to instructions. So we're to visualize our first measure. Looker measures an aggregation of one or more dimensions of unique attributes of the data. Measures let you calculate the key performance indicators, KPIs, and help you analyze your data using different attributes. In the Airports Explore, you determine the average elevation across all airport facilities. So in Local Navigation menu, we click Explore. Under FAA, we click Airports. Under Airports, click Measures, then Average Elevation. So explore FAA Airports. Come to Explore FAA Airports. Then under Airports, we take Measures and we click Average Elevation. We have our measures here. We have average elevation. So, and then we click Run. So we've selected average elevation right here. Then we now come and click Run above here. So because it's on the cloud, it's telling us to process 154.63 kilobytes of data. Once you run it, LookML will now load our information. So it has loaded information. Then we click the next arrow to visualization to expand this window. So this is the step. Arrow we click, expanded it. Now, once the visualization window is expanded, we can hover or cursor over the icons to identify the available options. Select the single value icon. This option creates a single validation so you can customize it. You can also make the chart larger by collapsing the data window. So this is the single value icon. That's why we're having just a number here. Screen. Then click on the settings gear for visualization. Click edit style. So this is settings gear for visualization. So edit style. So we're under the style now. Then under style, click on the value color and select our choice of color. Under style, we enable show title and provide a title for the title in the title array box. So style, we have comparison, we have formatting, our color, show title is here, have title override, value format. So let's say average abbreviation, our title. So next, okay, we have given the title here, which is average elevation. Click on new dashboard, enter a title for the new dashboard. Click OK. We're going to now create a new dashboard, sending it to a new dashboard. Okay. Click on the gear icon, click on the gear icon next to run, select save to an existing dashboard. Let's do this. Save existing dashboard, save as new dashboard. So let's click on existing dashboard, title, average elevation, and we'll click on new dashboard. Now I'll click get the title for the new dashboard, sorry. Airport air flight. So this has been saved to the airport flight dashboard. Click OK. So to dashboard, let's check our progress so far. So now next we're going to visualize dimensions and measures. Dimensions are unique attributes of the data that help you to describe the data. For example, in the airport explore, the location of the airport, city, the location of the airport, city, elevation levels at different dimensions. You can choose both dimension measures in Looker to slice and dice your data to achieve data insights. Next, we'll identify the top 5 facility types and the highest average elevation and display the results in a bar chart. We will show the total number of airports facilities by facility type in the same chart. On the local navigation menu, we click on Explore. Under FA, we click Airports. The available dimensions and measures will be listed in the data panel for airports. So on local navigation menu, let's click on Explore. Under FA, we click Airports. Yeah. Airports. Then available dimensions will be listed, which we've seen. Under airport dimensions, we click facility type. So these are the dimensions on airport. Click on facility type. Then under airport measures, we click average elevation. Is here. Click on average elevation so you can see our dimensions here. Our measure is here. Then under airport measures again, we click on count. You see it has been added here. Then on the data tab, we change the row limit to 5 and we'll click on run. Now we'll look for the data tab. This is our data tab. Change our row limit from 500 to 5. And then click on run. We'll click on the arrow next to visualization to expand this window. So first of all, we'll come and click on run. Our data will look here. So we have our 5 rows. Rows limit reach, results may be incomplete. So I think our results are complete. Then what we'll do next is click the arrow next to visualization to expand the window. Once the visualization window is expanded, we can hover our cursor over the icons to identify the available options to select the bar icon. The visualization stopped already. We're going to pick the bar icon. Here's our bar icon showing us the airport type against the elevation, which is our dimensions against our measures. Okay. It's our other measure beside it. So what we'll do next is this option creates a horizontal bar visualization that you can customize. You can also make the chart larger by collapsing the data window. So I collapse this data window underneath so you can see our chart in a larger format. Customize our chart. So where we have it grouped, have it stacked percentage. Let's go back to the grouped, the grid layout, none, by row, none, have the number spacing and spacing. We can hide our legend. There's our legend here. So our legend position can be center, which is here. It can be on the left of our screen. It can be on the right. Let's leave it at the center for now. The data, we can limit displayed rows. Already we had 5 rows. We can just turn that off. Back to so we have the colors selection. Change our colors here. Average elevation or the airport. You can change it to something close. Have it as a line. You can have it as a column. You can have it as a scatter plot. Give it column. So I think that's enough customization. Let's go back to our instructions. So instruction says we should click the settings gear for visualization. Under the values, we enable value labels. These are settings gear. Under the values, click on values label. This will allow us to have the numbers not just on the tip, but still be displayed right beside our bar chart. So next we are told to click Y. Under Y, click on airports and drag it to top axis. Come to the Y. So airport is below. Now switch airports to top axis. So let's take it to the top axis. Okay. So airports on top axis now. So you can see it right here. Our top axis. While we had both on the bottom axis. The airports on top axis, bottom axis has our average elevation. Next, we can configure our axis bottom one, enter the axis name. So change it now. So our bottom one would enter under configure axis one, enter the axis name. So this more acts like an alias. You can see it has changed here already. Count. Then we'll click version gear settings to close the settings. Click the settings gear next to run and select save to an existing dashboard. Enter the title for the visualization. Then select the dashboard you previously created with just airports and air flights. Then we'll save the dashboard. We'll close this first. Come to the settings. You can save to an existing dashboard. The existing dashboard you had was airports to flights. Select it. Our visualization title. Is average elevation by facility type, and we click save to dashboard. We've done that already. So you can see information here. Average elevation has been added to the airport dashboard. So let's check our progress. So assessment is complete. Congratulations. You learned how to use Looker to visualize data using exploits, which are data views created by Looker developers. Learn more about creating explores in the local documentation. Google Cloud Training and Certification helps you to make the most of Google Cloud technologies. Their classes include technical skills and best practices to help you get to speed quickly and continue your learning journey. They offer fundamentals to advanced level training with on-demand, live, and virtual options to suit your busy schedule. Certifications help you validate and improve your skill and expertise in Google Cloud technologies. So this lab was tested, last tested on 27th of December 2023. So let's go and look at the documentation before we close. Okay, password one before our lab time expires. I think now we're off for now. Once you're done with your lab, click end lab. So once you end the lab, we know we've gotten 100. How satisfied? I'm very satisfied. I'm very satisfied with the lab submit. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.